booming clothing industry.
Bangladesh garment industry.
Trade that reshaped Bangladesh's economy.
Bangladesh garment industry.
The second largest clothing manufacturing and exporting country in the world after China. Every jeans around the world comes from here, from Bangladesh.
That shirt you're wearing, the jacket, check the tag. Chances are it says made in Bangladesh. I'm proud to be a developer from Bangladesh, the global epicenter of a $55 billion garment industry. We clothe the world. But here's the problem. This massive industry still runs on paper. Handwritten logs, messy spreadsheets, endless errors. This bottleneck costs factories millions and kills transparency. Our solution? RateSheet, a digital, real-time system that replaces chaos with clarity. For managers, instant production logging. Fully automated payroll with time-sensitive rates. No manual math. For organizations, a secure, multi-tenant platform with role-based access. Data stays locked and isolated. Building this was hard, but with Kiro, we did in days what would normally take months. Fed our business logic into Kiro, it generated a robust Convex schema and payroll functions. Used spec-to-code, it built consistent, secure roles and permissions. Added hooks, automated testing every time we changed the schema. Let me show you a quick demo. A new user can sign up and create an organization in seconds. As an admin, you set up production sections, add workers, and define product styles. Here's the magic: setting dynamic rates. This shirt style pays $0.70 in August, but will update it to $0.75 for September. Now, as a manager, I can log production daily. Watch this. When I log production for a day in August, the system automatically applies the August rate. The payroll is calculated instantly and accurately. All of this is wrapped in a modern UI with dark mode, full mobile responsiveness, and live data updates. And this isn't just theory. RateSheet is already live, used by manufacturers like Legacy Innovations, Urmi Group, and Disney Sweaters. With Kiro, we turned a long-time vision into a production-ready reality. Thank you.